Well, hello, welcome back. Welcome to my easy beef risotto. Alright, you ready for this one? Okay, I'll write the recipe below as always for you guys. So we're going to need 90 grams of butter. We need 1/4 cup of chopped up fresh basil. And if you haven't got fresh basil, you can use a couple of teaspoons of dry basil. We need 1 cup of long grain rice, any long grain rice you want. We need 1/2 cup of peas, frozen peas. We need 1/2 cup of grated parmesan cheese. Roughly a 400 gram can of tomatoes, diced tomatoes. Now you can either use fresh garlic crushed or your jar garlic. We need some chicken stock, some tomato paste, 1 brown onion chopped up small, and 500 grams of beef mince. Let's do this. For this risotto we need a frying pan that has a lid, alright? It must have a lid. So we want to heat it up on halfway, medium. We want to chuck in our 90 grams of butter. Then we want to throw in our diced onion, 1 clove of fresh garlic crushed in there, or 1 heaped teaspoon of jar garlic. We just want to cook the onion and garlic out for a couple of minutes. We break our mince up and add it to it, and we only want to cook this for a couple of minutes just to brown it. We want to add our 1 1/4 cups of chicken stock. Now our can of tomatoes, the whole can, everything in it. Now we want to add 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. Mix that through. Now we add our rice. We mix it through. We put the lid on. We stir it every few minutes until almost all the liquid's gone. Okay, I would class that as almost all the liquid gone. Alright, see how you can do it like that. It's still liquid in there, but it's not a lot like there was. Okay, now it gets to this stage. We want to add our peas, mix them in, put the lid back on, and then we just want to cook it for a few more minutes until the rice is cooked properly. So give it a couple of minutes with the lid on, check it, taste the rice, and as soon as it's cooked, turn it off. Oh my god, it smells amazing. How quick and easy is this one? Oh, it's so tasty. Lid back on. Turn that down a bit. It's supposed to be a simmer. It's really hard on electric, but we get there. Oh yum, I know this camera is not picking up how dark brown and red this is. Oh. Alright, rice is cooked. Now we put in our 1/4 cup of fresh chopped basil. Now what I forgot to say, and I'm sorry about that, is if you've got to use 2 teaspoons of dry basil, whack them in back when you're putting your cans of tomato in. Now we've got 1/2 cup of freshly grated parmesan cheese here. We want to put half in and save half to put on the top. And I've saved a little bit of basil just for the top as well. Mix it in really well, bang it in some bowls. Oh yeah, baby. I mean, how quick and easy is this one, my friends? Oh yeah. Now it would serve, let me see here, I'll tell you in a sec. It would serve 4 serves that size. I reckon 3 serves this size. Oh, so you can always double up on your recipe. Everyone's really big eaters here, so alright, I'll sprinkle a little bit of parmesan on top. Oh, take me to heaven. A little bit of extra basil that I've got. Just a couple of little bits to make it nice. There you have it, my friends. A stunning little beef risotto. Easy as to make. Oh, alright, I might have been. That'll serve 4. Oi, have an awesome night. You know me. I'll be back really soon. Thanks heaps for watching. Bye.